How's it going, everyone? Today I'm out here on the beautiful Trent River. River's still really high, but I wanted to show you guys what's in my hygiene kit today. I call it my bath bag. It's everything washroom hygiene related that I keep in this bag. So let's get into her. I'll show you the contents and why I carry everything I do. Alright, so I'm going to be standing behind the camera while I film this, so hopefully it turns out okay. But this bag was actually made by a company called Foxlight Gear, and I found them on Instagram, and they make really cool bags. If you're on Instagram, go check out their page. They make all different kinds of sweet bags. Okay, so let's open her up. So the first thing you're greeted with is the Seat to Summit pocket shower, and it has many different uses for me. I use it, I just hang it around camp, and I use it as a wash station, like a faucet. I wash my dishes, I wash my feet off, wash my hands off, wash various gear off. But obviously you can also use it as a shower. It doesn't really heat the water up too much, but it's not cold. And it's 10 liters of water storage, so yeah, not a sales pitch because it is kind of pricey. Canadian, I think it was about 50 bucks, tax in and everything, but handy piece of kit. I like to carry it. It's small, packable, fits in this pouch. Next important thing is I carry some toilet paper minus the tube. I just have a roll of toilet paper I carry to the fire after and burn it. But another important thing I carry is I carry a travel size toothpaste and a travel toothbrush, because that's very important hygiene. So I make sure that's always in my kit and ready to go. Next, I carry a bandana. I use it as a hand cloth, a face cloth, just to dry up my stuff. I carry a few bandanas in my kit, but this one is dedicated to my washroom kit. So I have something clean to wipe my face off with after I'm done washing my face or my hands, so on. Carry some hand sanitizer, which can also actually be used as a fire starter, but for me, the only use I've ever used it for so far is sanitizing my hands. You know, if I'm getting my hands into some fishing or some really dirty business, this is nice and handy to have. Carry some lip balm, because we all know chap lips in the woods suck. Keep a few of these toothpicks just in case. They're nice to have when you need one. Floss and toothpick. This has been mashed up in my pack over time, but this is actually all natural soap. I won't use any sort of non-biodegradable chemical-based soap. So this is just goat's milk and some natural pine scent. I like to use the pine scent because I find it helps deter mosquitoes a little bit, and it smells natural, so that's what I use. And then yeah, just the pouch itself with some loose toilet paper. So as you can see here, these are the contents of my bathroom bag, my hygiene kit. Very important to have. It's very light. You don't notice it inside your pack, and I use just about everything here frequently while I'm out camping. Well, hopefully that gave you some ideas of what to do for your hygiene kit. It is very important that you carry one for yourself, keep yourself clean, and have everything you need to be comfortable while you're out in the woods. This is far from glamping, but you'll appreciate having one of these. So hopefully you learned something. Hopefully I gave you some ideas or some tips. If you have any special items you carry in a hygiene kit, please leave them down in the comments. Let me know your opinions. I like to hear everybody's inputs and what other people do differently. So let me know in the comments. Take care, guys. I'll see you next time.